Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, guys. This video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how I made this jumbo knotless braided wig. It's more than close to 15 inches. It's very long and it's the jumbo size. Okay, it's a knotless braided wig. I'm going to show you guys how I did everything from start to finish. Okay, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, I would really appreciate. So guys, first thing first, this is the ventilated full lace I will be using. It's a treated ventilated lace. Actually, if you don't know how I achieved this, I have a video on that already, which I'm going to link. I put the link of that particular video in the description of this one. So we have to part the full lace. Okay, you have to section it. After sectioning, then I'll part it into bosses. Okay, remember we are doing a jumbo size knotless braid, so it's going to be the big size. Okay, big braid. In total it was 23 bosses. I did 23 bosses. So the first thing now is just to part it. The back side and the middle side I did 4 sections, while the front side I did 6 sections. So when I'm done sectioning it this way, okay, when I'm done sectioning this way, this is how it is. The back side is 4, then the front is 6. So now I have to boss it. Okay, for the purpose of this video I have to boss it 1-1 so that I can easily lose and then braid. Okay, so the front one I did 2 boss. I just divided into 2 equal parts. Then the second one was 4 bosses, the third one was 4 bosses, then the fourth one was 3. Then moving over to the front side, I mean the one that was 6, I just did 2-2, like I divided into 2 each one, because we're actually doing a jumbo size. Okay, so I'm doing this, I'm just bossing it. Okay, then I weave it, which I will later lose to braid. I'm doing this for the purpose of this video. Normally if I'm doing it without shooting, I don't need to boss it this way. I just section, then I section. When I'm done section, I'll just be cutting depending on the size I need, and then I braid. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you guys everything how I achieved the video you saw. Is a jumbo size knotless braid, guys. So this second one was 4 bosses. Okay, I section it into 4 bosses. If you don't know how I vented this full lace or how I treated, looking at this you think it's hair. Okay, but this is actually an extension. It's a braiding hair. I ventilated with the braiding hair color 1, but looking at it, it's very soft, guys. It's very soft. As I'm touching it, the thing is very soft because I treated it. So I have a video on that already, how I vent my full lace and how I treat before braiding. It's always important to treat your lace, vented lace. I mean when you vent with braiding hair, not woman hair, to treat it first before braiding. It has a way of giving you that soft texture. Okay, so I will link the link to those video in the description of this particular video. So this is it when I'm done bossing it. It's in total it was 23. So the next thing we are going to do now is to get the braiding hair that we'll be using. Okay, we'll be using the darling superstar color 1. So I did cutting 3. I just have to, is usually 2 inside, so I just took 1 of it and I did cutting 3 for both. I mean 3 for this side and then 3 for this side. In total I used 4.5 packs for this wig, okay, because it's actually jumbo size, and not just is jumbo, is lengthy, it's more than 40 inches, guys. And the size, I mean the size is the volume is large, okay. So this is how I stretch. This is the simple way I stretch my braid after cutting. I did cut in 3, so I'll keep blending it this way till it's okay. Then I comb and apply some oil. So this is the final product I got. So the next thing now is to move over to the braiding. So I've done like 3 already. So I'm just going to show you guys how I achieve the 3, I mean the 3 that I've done before. Okay, so I'll be using a styling gel, okay. Like this is a jumbo size, so I'll be using this styling gel so that it will help me to grip the hair firmly, okay, without leaving anyone over, and also to get a very clear or a very perfect lines. Like I have to make sure that the lines are okay, no hair is over the next buzz, okay. So I comb, making sure that there's no, and the styling gel also helps to hold the other, like I mean when you are doing one buzz, you can use the styling gel to keep the other buzz from interrupting you when you are braiding. So I section it into 3 this way, okay, and then I go in and braid, making sure it's very tight, guys. You should make sure the base of your braiding is very tight. So I braid like 2 ways, okay, and then make sure it's very tight before adding my extension. Like I said, we are doing a jumbo size, so I'll be taking a very big volume of braiding hair. But if you are doing a smaller size, so you should limit the amount of braiding hair you should be joining. So this is simple way you can do a knotless braid, be it for jumbo size or for medium size or small size, okay. I braid leaving one part of the extension that I added, then I add it over when I'm done. Just watch what I'm doing, guys, you will clearly understand, okay. And also make sure that the base of your braid is tight, guys. So I'll keep adding till I get the volume and equally the length. Like I said, this particular wig is very lengthy, it's more than 40 inches. I think when I measured it was around 50 inches because the person wants it very lengthy and it's jumbo size. In total I use pack of extension 4.5, close to 5. Okay, so guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up, okay. Give this video a thumbs up, okay. I made videos on ventilation, braiding, hair treatment, hair revamping, and so many. So I have so much in stock for you guys. So the only thing you can do for me now is just to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload videos you will get notified. If you have question or there's anything you want me to make video on, let me know in the comment section. I'll attend to them, guys. Don't mind the bed, okay. I have this particular bed that normally comes to my window every morning like this to come and be singing for me, okay. So this is how I braid. I section into 3 and then I braid, making sure it's very tight. Then I go ahead and add my extension. I add, leaving behind the other side. I braid and then I add back the one I left. This is just simple way of doing a knotless braid, guys. Very simple. If you follow this pattern you get it, okay. So this is simple way of doing this. I'll keep adding till I get to the volume of the volume I want and also the length. Alright, so guys, if you actually want me, if you can't do this yourself, you can't braid yourself or you can't ventilate yourself and you need someone to help you out with it, either ventilation, full lace closures or any kind of ventilation, or you want me to supply you braided wigs at wholesale prices, maybe you have a store and you want to be selling, or people have been asking you for braided wigs, you can see my WhatsApp number on the screen. Just go ahead and hit me up. Okay, I'll supply you braided wigs at wholesale prices. Or you want braided wig or any kind of ventilation service for your personal use, please hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay, so this is how I add my extension till I get to the length I want. So I'm actually at the front side. Okay, I'm done with the back side. Like I said, I did 23 bosses. It was 23 bosses in total. So the reason why I'm using the styling gel is for easy gripping and also to ensure that I don't have any kind of interruption with the next boss when I'm working on a particular boss. Okay, so guys, if you know you seen or if you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. I have a lot of videos coming your way. Okay, if you have any question or you are confused at anything, let me know in the comment section. I will always attend to them. If there's anything you want me to work on or there's something you want me to make video on, still let me know. I will equally consider doing that. So this is how I add my extension. I mean, the same way I add from the base. So I continue like that till I get to my desired length. Okay. So guys, I'm done with the wig. Okay, so the next thing now is to just trim it. After trimming, I will apply hot water on it. Okay, when trimming, you should be careful with this and you should take your time to make sure that you trim off all the flyers. Okay, so when I'm done trimming, I apply hot water, and then after applying hot water, I have to allow it to dry, and this is the final look, guys. Look at it, it's very beautiful and the length is very lengthy. So guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Always know that I love you guys and I cherish you guys. Bye.